There's evil everywhere we look. We just can't see it all the time. And when it shows up, it changes the course of your life forever.
When I was in 8th grade, I was sexually abused by a staff member at my middle school.
I want my joy back. I want my happiness back. I want my faith in people back. I want my life back.
When you are a perpetrator, you have all these rights available to you. When you are a victim, the system shuts down.
I work with domestic violence victims daily, and I see how confusing it is to navigate the criminal justice system.
A lot of them are very unfamiliar with the legal process. They're unfamiliar with their rights. They don't know what they are.
As a prosecutor, we don't want victims to be lost in the system. We want to be able to give them a voice.
But if somebody is a victim of a crime, they should have the ability to be a part of the process from the beginning to the very end.
Marsy's Law is important because it strengthens the ability of our victims to navigate through a very complex system.
Our goal is to make sure crime victims are treated with dignity and respect.
Marsy's Law is going to strengthen the rights of victims.
Marsy's Law can help them be informed of court hearings, be informed of offender statuses, get connected with their prosecutor, and just be as informed as possible throughout every step of the way.
The judicial system has to be fair and balanced, and if there's a constitutional support for a defendant, why shouldn't there be a constitutional support for the victim?
Marsy's Law would restore the balance of rights between the accused and the victim.
Nobody wants to take away the rights of the accused. We just want Marsy's Law to give rights to the victims as well.
This isn't something that should be a partisan position. This is about a victim of a crime.
Putting Marsy's Law in the Constitution always puts victims at the forefront. Their rights will always be there and they will always be heard.
I feel whether you be a Democrat or a Republican, that we can work together and try and do the best we can for the victims of the state of Wisconsin.
Anybody can be a victim, and that's why Marsy's Law is so important to protect everybody.
Without Marsy's Law, we have nothing.
Victims need Marsy's Law. They need someone on their side.
I'm a survivor, and that's why I'm asking you to support Marsy's Law.